One of the most fulfilling parts about being a teacher is teaching young people how to problem solve and take control of their own learning.
My science and technology students find it easier to understand what they learn when they can actually see how it links to the real world.
I cannot overstate the importance of learning to code. It's a skill that's being used more and more in jobs, so getting students started as soon as possible is crucial.
The Education Starter Kit is really good fun, and it means my students want to learn. They're getting to grips with science and technology, they're engaged in what they're doing, and they want to succeed.
I think that the Explore IoT kit does a great job at linking classroom learning to the world around us. All the projects are based on things seen in our everyday lives, and that connection is so important.
To teach coding, I use the CTC Go kit as I can adapt it to my students' needs. It works well for those who are new to coding too, and it's good fun. I get to see my students practice all these great computational thinking skills, and even the ones who didn't think they could are now learning to code. It is fantastic to see.
It's great to see them getting more confident as they work through the lessons, really taking the initiative when they see that something isn't quite working how they want it to.
My students are creating internet-connected objects and learning real skills that they'll need in the outside world. 10 out of 10.